All right, we're ready to do this?
Yeah.
Welcome to Whistler. Julia, Brandon, here we are at your wedding. I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the glacier that we landed on, the giant mountains, this incredible view. This mountaintop is a symbol of the love that Brandon and Julia share for adventure, travel, and exploring new horizons. Do you both enter into this relationship freely, of your own accord, and without any legal impediment to marriage?
We do.
Julia, I'm so happy to be finally at this day. Coming home to you every week will be all the more special when I'm coming home to my wife. I'm looking forward to a life of cats, murder, and pushing you into adventures around the world. I love you. You're so beautiful.
Brandon, I could not have asked for a better partner to spend my life with. You challenge me to be better, you support me when I'm struggling, and most importantly, you always make me laugh. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us, because no matter what, I know you're going to make it really fun.
I'm not crying, it's the wind.
Yeah, okay.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Yay, we did it.